Welcome to the top best. The Best Tactical X drone is probably one of the most talked about gadgets in the aerial photography and videography world right now, and for good reason, as it promises to deliver professional-grade features at a price point that's surprisingly accessible for enthusiasts and even casual users looking to elevate their content creation game with stunning aerial shots and smooth, cinematic footage. Number 5. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone for Kids and Beginners. Experience more fun than ever before with exciting features like toss to launch, circle fly, and thrilling 3D flips. Its adjustable speed ensures a perfect flight for every pilot. Enjoy a carefree flying experience thanks to its altitude hold for stable hovering and headless mode for intuitive control. It's perfect for kids and beginners alike. With 3 included batteries, you get up to 21 minutes of flight time, so you can keep the fun going without interruption. Plus, a low battery alarm prevents any unexpected landings. This mini drone is incredibly portable, bringing excitement to parties, school, hikes, and long journeys. It makes for an unforgettable gift for any occasion. Fly with confidence knowing the propellers are safely enclosed by a protective guard. This ensures both the safety of the pilot and the drone itself. To avoid interference when flying multiple units, please power on and pair each drone and remote control separately. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted flight experience for everyone. What we like. This drone is designed for fun and safety. It offers exciting maneuvers like 3D flips and a unique toss-to-launch feature. The propeller guards ensure a safe flying experience for everyone. If you are looking for a drone that is easy to get started with and provides plenty of entertainment for younger users or beginners, this is a great choice. What people say. This drone has probably survived hundreds of crashes into walls and the floor, yet this little guy still takes off and keeps making my kids happy. It is remarkably robust for a little toy. We have had a ton of crashes and it is totally fine, hasn't missed a beat. The Holy Stone NIHS-210 Mini Drone RC Nano Quadcopter is a nice little drone. Due to the drone's small size, my son, an avid drone pilot, is able to fly it throughout our home. He enjoys the 3 speed modes. Number 4. Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial photography with its 1080p HD camera. Adjust the angle up to 90 degrees and capture every moment with the 112-degree wide-angle lens. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time with the powerful modular battery. Explore more of your surroundings without interruption. This drone is designed to be compact and foldable, making it easy to take anywhere. It also comes with a convenient carrying case for transport. With features like auto takeoff and precise hovering, operating it is easier and safer than ever. Enjoy seamless control for creating amazing content. It's perfect for beginners, offering intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Practice your flying skills with extended flight time. Its intuitive controls and advanced features provide complete freedom to create. The sky is your playground with endless possibilities. What we like. Capture stunning aerial views with its 1080p HD camera. This drone is designed for convenience with a foldable frame and an included carrying case. If you are a beginner looking for a portable drone that can take good quality photos and videos while you explore, this is an excellent option for you. What people say. It has relatively large brushed motors that give it surprising zip in high-speed mode, and enough kick to handle mild winds with relative ease. The battery runtime is pretty spot on at 20 minutes under normal circumstances. The drone is tough. It will not hover in place without trimming and the wind will throw it around. Number 3. Holy Stone HS710 4K GPS Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial photography with our advanced 4K camera. Its wide-angle lens and adjustable view capture every detail, while smooth 5 GHz FPV transmission brings the action right to you. Let our intelligent flight features do the work. With modes like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight, you can free your hands and enjoy the creative fun of flying together as a family. Designed for ease, it hovers steadily with altitude hold and returns home safely with Smart Return to Home. One key takeoff and landing make getting started a breeze, making it ideal for beginners. Enjoy incredibly stable flight, indoors or out. Our dual-mode GPS and optical flow positioning ensure it hovers precisely, providing a reliable flying experience. Equipped with powerful brushless motors, it maintains a stable position even in windy conditions. Enjoy up to 25 minutes of flight time with convenient, safer modular batteries. This professional-grade drone enhances your flying experience with its 4K camera, intelligent GPS, and stable positioning. Its portable, foldable design makes it easy to take anywhere. Weighing less than 0.55 lb, this drone reduces your travel burden and eliminates the need for FAA registration, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. What we like. Experience professional-grade aerial photography with its 4K camera and advanced GPS features like Follow Me. The powerful brushless motor ensures stable flight even in windy conditions. If you are an enthusiast or aspiring photographer looking for a drone that offers high-quality imaging and intelligent flight modes for creative control, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Return to Home feature and the Follow Me feature work great. The Point of Interest feature is also good. The one-key takeoff landing button is very convenient. The drone folds down to a small size and the carrying case is a good bonus. The drone is quick but easy to control. The drone has a much better camera than my original drone and the ability to pan up and down as well as zoom in and out. The customer support is good and they send out replacement drones quickly. The camera was capable of making detailed videos and still shots. The app and drone interfaced well with my iPhone. It is small and compact and easy to store and pack for travel. Number 2. DEERC D20 Mini Drone. Experience the thrill of flight with this amazing drone. Its high-definition camera captures breathtaking photos and videos from the sky, bringing you a unique perspective. Designed for simplicity, this drone is incredibly easy to fly. With just one button, you can take off and land, and its altitude hold feature ensures stable flight for perfect shots. Safety is paramount with this device. It includes features like low-power alerts and propeller guards. Plus, with 2 batteries, you can enjoy up to 20 minutes of extended flight time. Add excitement to your flights with 3D flips and waypoint navigation. Simply draw a path on your phone, and watch it follow your commands, making every flight an adventure. Control it with just your voice, saying commands like, take off. You can even take hands-free selfies by simply showing a gesture to the camera. What we like. This mini drone offers an engaging experience with its 720p HD FPV camera and intuitive controls. You can even command it with your voice or take selfies using gestures. If you're looking for a fun, interactive, and easy-to-fly drone that's perfect for kids and beginners wanting to capture photos and videos, this is a fantastic gift option. What people say. It's tough, it's responsive, and you can turn up speed if you want. The drone came in a box that could also be used as a case. It's packaged so well. The battery life is short, but these are only 500 mAh and with 2 you have enough time, have fun and take some great photos and video. The camera outperformed my expectations at this price point and the video, although a little choppy, also was better than expected. All the functions worked as they should, like the auto takeoff land, camera video, speed control and so on. This is an excellent starter drone quality and can hold up in the wind. Number 1. Holy Stone HS110D FPV RC Drone. Capture stunning, distortion-free images and videos with its 1080p HD camera. View live footage on your phone from a wide-angle lens and easily share your creations online. Enjoy a stable flight experience as it hovers in mid-air with locked altitude. This makes it perfect for beginners and kids to learn and fly with ease. Navigate with confidence using headless mode, which simplifies control especially when the drone is out of sight. It also features exciting 3D flips for added fun. Unlock multiple functions through the app, including voice control, gesture control, and trajectory flight. You can even instruct it to take photos or videos with simple hand gestures. With 2 modular batteries included, you can enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time. Swapping batteries is simple and safe charging is guaranteed. What we like. Enjoy immersive flight with its 1080p HD camera and advanced control options including voice, gesture, and gravity sensor. It's designed for beginners to have a stable and enjoyable flying experience. If you want a drone that combines ease of use with exciting interactive features for capturing great footage and having fun, this model is a superb choice. What people say. Setup. It took me about 10 minutes to set up, hop in a battery. I added the bumper rails around the propellers because I am a newbie and have not used a drone before. The bumpers snap on real easy with no screws needed. Once you power on the drone, if you bought the controller, you just tap it up and down and it pairs to your drone that easy. I downloaded the app to the App Store. It is really easy to use. Once the drone is on, go to Wi-Fi and find your drone and connect, and live video feed comes right up. I crashed into my cabinets and counter on accident while getting the trim set, lol. Good thing I put the bumpers on it, but after that I was able to fly around the living room without issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.